Hi, welcome to Portal 7. How many video tools do you have installed on your computer? One for format conversion, one for upscaling, one for editing, one for downloading. Every time you make a video, it feels like you're playing a game of software hopscotch, but don't worry, I have a solution. In this video, we will explore VideoProc Converter AI. VideoProc Converter AI is a versatile tool for video processing. It enables fast video conversion, compression, and editing with GPU acceleration. Users can resize large HD files, stabilize shaky footage, record screens, and download online media. Software link is in video's description. Click on that to download VideoProc Converter AI. Once downloaded, go with the basic installation. At first launch, it will show your system's hardware information. Then it will come up with its main dashboard. Here you can access multiple AI tools and non-AI tools for image, video, and audio, along with screen recorder and downloader. Super resolution is for enhancing video quality and resolution. First, I will try super resolution. Now we are on super resolution AI dashboard. Here you can drag and drop any video file, or you can use Add Media to locate your file. Here I am adding a video. On top of main window, you can see resolution of original video and output video. For quality check, you can use dual window or split window. You can zoom in or zoom out by scrolling mouse wheel. Now on right side panel, you can choose processing device. I will keep graphics card. You can also set CPU as processing device. In AI model drop-down list, you can see 3 different AI models. Each one shows its features below as you select it. You can select one according to your video input. Here I will select Gen Details version 3. Now you can choose high quality mode or fast mode. I will prefer quality over speed. You can upscale up to 4x. I will set it 2x. You can also set resolution manually. Here I will keep it 2x, means 1440 pixel. You even have option to enhance video without upscaling. Below you edit exporting settings. Video codec I will set H264. Video format I will set MP4. Quality I will set high. Once everything's set, click on Run. Within few minutes your enhanced video is ready. Here you can check video resolution is now 2560x 1440 pixel. And now you can check video quality is much sharper with Ultra HD details. Here you can see original videos low quality. Resolution is also 1280 x 720 pixel. Let's try another example. I will keep AI model same. Resolution I will set 1920 x 1080 pixel. Click on Start. Now you can check quality preview. If you are satisfied with quality, click on Run. Within few minutes, your enhanced video is ready. Here you can check video resolution is now 1920 x 1080 pixel. And now you can check video quality has more details and sharpness. Here you can see original video's low quality. Resolution is also 1280 x 720 pixel. Let's try one more example. This time I am adding anime video. It has very low resolution 640 x 360 pixel only. In preview window you can see output preview. AI model I will change to anime. Scale I will set 3x. Click on Start to see preview in 1080 pixel. Now it's looking good in anime model. Click on Run. Within few minutes your enhanced video is ready. First you can see original video's low quality. Resolution is just 640 x 360 pixel. Now you can check output video quality with more details and sharpness. Video resolution is upscaled to 1920 x 1080 pixel. Now I will close Super Resolution. Click on Image AI. It has same dashboard and same AI models. Resolution you can set up to 8K. Along with image enhancement, it also has face restoration feature. Click on Add Image. As you can see, it's low-quality blurry image. AI model I will set Gene Details version 3. Scale I will set 2x. Now click on Start. In Output Preview you can see image quality has much details and sharpness, but I want even more improvement. I will select Face Restoration. AI model I will set Rebuild. Face type I will set High Quality. Composition I will keep Gradient Overlay. Now click on Start. And now you can check output. Face restoration is really amazing feature. Compare input and output images, it's unbelievable. Click on Run to save image. Within few seconds your enhanced image is ready. Let's try another example. In preview window you can compare original and output image. Sharpness and details are amazing. Click on Run to save image. Within few seconds your enhanced image is ready. Let's try another example. In Preview window, you can compare original and output image. Sharpness and details are Ultra HD. Click on Run to save image. Within few seconds, your enhanced image is ready. Let's try one last example. This time I am adding very low-resolution blurry image. Input resolution you can check just 524 x 604 pixel. I will upscale it 3x. Face restoration I will keep on. In Preview window you can compare original and output image. Sharpness and details are unbelievable. Click on Run to save image. Within few seconds your enhanced image is ready. Now I will close Image AI. VideoProc Converter AI is a total 10 software bundle. It has Video Converter, DVD Ripper, Video Downloader, File Compressor, Screen Recorder, Video Stabilizer, Video Frame Interpolation, and Audio AI. Have you ever calculated how much you spend on video tool subscriptions each month? Over the course of a year, that adds up to enough to buy a brand new smartphone. In fact, for some tools, a one-time lifetime purchase works out to be even cheaper than an annual subscription. VideoProc Converter AI has mid-year super sale at this time and has 62% off. You can get lifetime license for one PC in just $39.95. In this price, you will also get 4 more software license free. That is worth of $283.98. And if you want to buy 5 PCs license, it will be just $59.95 only. Click on the link in video's description to avail this offer. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.